Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of Bowdabra, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy door swag. So let's get started. I'm going to start by taking my Bowdabra bow wire. I've folded it in half and I'm just tucking the ends underneath my Bowdabra. Then I have this massive piece of mesh and I'm just going to scrunch this into my Bowdabra and let's keep scrunching it in. So this is just kind of a really cool way to use the Bowdabra. It's different than a normal way that we would use it. We're just going to scrunch this all in. Then I'm just going to take the last piece, kind of fold it over, and then I'm going to take my wand, give everything a really good push. And now the mesh wants to just pop out, so I'm going to take my piece of yellow ribbon and throw that down in there. And then now I'm going to take the wrong side of the ribbon and put the right side of the ribbon down. And then I'm just going to fold this back over and bring my ribbon in here and just tuck that in there. And then go to the center of my loop, put that down here. Then I'm going to take my really pretty spring gingham check and scrunch that in and fold this over, and again take the right side of the ribbon, put that down and make my loops. And then I'm just going to take these tails and put these going this way and these going this way here. So I'm just scrunching them in. And please don't forget to follow us on Pinterest and share the video. I'd really appreciate it. Then we're just going to throw that down in here. And please also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'm just going to take the ends up here, pull this through, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. So you can see I'm not fumbling with this. I'm just going to separate the ends and bring it around to the back. I'm going to just tie a knot here and tie another knot. And we'll just kind of shape it out and bring my flower back into the center here and loop my tails and just kind of take my loops and shape those. And you have a really pretty springtime door swag.